Hey, how's it going? We're going to continue building some of our game here, and we're going to add some special effects to it. I'm kind of excited about it. Some special effects. It'll be kind of neat to see. Let's see here. And then what if we went over here? Just making some adjustments on things here. Oh, perfect. Okay, that works. All right, let's do it like that. Excellent. Hey, how's it going, everyone? All right, let's get right into it. So we're going to do some coding. We're going to do some coding. That's the plan. All right, let's see here. I wanted to add a game. What was it? Like a background color, or sorry, yeah, a background color. I think that's what I wanted. Background color. Yes, perfect. Well, actually, this could be like purple, and then let's see, background. Actually, for color, I wanted to add some extra color over here. Green. Okay, so player, AI, background. All right. Oh, hold on a second. Game. All right, so I need to add this to the game here really quick. The game type. So make sure that has a background in there. This will be a string. Here we go. String. str. Perfect. Excellent. And then what do we want here? All right, so we don't need a comma there. Perfect. Maybe we can have like an entity called background. I think maybe just have an entity called background, like this, because I want to do stuff to it. I want to do more things. So color, this will be background. Perfect. Wait, gotta spell it correctly. Background. It's spelled like that. Geoground. Like, there you go. Perfect. And this will be a string, color, and then also shake. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to shake. So there will be a color, and there will be actually this will be int. I think is it gonna be int or float? It's probably fine as an int because we need it to be more than 1 pixel, at least 1 pixel, because we'll have like a shake effect. That's what I want. Hey, Bubble Bear, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. It's already Thursday. It's amazing how that happens. We're working on our game here. We're gonna make we're gonna add a background. This will be a background. There we go. All right, looking good. We're gonna continue on our game. I want to make it add some special effects in the background. I want to add some sound effects. There are a whole bunch of things. I'm actually really excited about it. I think it's gonna be really neat. I think it'll be really neat. I hope you're having an amazing day. So far so good. Day is pretty good. How about you? Are you working on anything exciting? Tell me about the exciting project that you're working on. I'm actually kind of curious. Tell me if it's any or if it's just not doing anything at all, and that's okay too. That's also okay. That works out a lot. Why game class is a data class? Oh, it's just a so I'm just tracking state. Ollie, good. Welcome on in, Ollie. Good to see you. We're just tracking state. Hey, Mohammed, welcome on in. Happy you're here. Happy Thursday. So data class, we're just tracking state. So you see, we've got a game class, which is like the main game state. It holds all access to everything. And what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to pass it around. And we do this because it's a clean, easy way to represent state, and we don't need a lot of logic. We don't have a lot of logic when it comes to the actual data in the class itself, other than the render. And then since we're rendering it, we can just define another function that calls render. And we could pass it in, but the problem we were facing was a circular dependency with the game state itself, with the global versus access to the other elements. So like the player class also needs access to the game class. And so in order to do that properly, I figured let's just keep it flat and simple. So that's what we did. That's exactly what we did. We kept it flat and simple. Hey, Travis, how's it going? Hey, couldn't find your repository on GitHub. Oh, no, which one? Which one are you talking about? I'll help you find it. 1 second. I got to click a button. I'll be right back. All right. Yeah, let me know which repository you're talking about. I can click the button for you. I'll click the button and then send it to, let me know. Okay, we have a shake on the background. We're going to have a background class. And then I want, so what was it? Purple? Purple, here we go. Fill screen with game.background color. Actually, we got to do this. We got to fill the screen with a dark color, black, and then we'll fill it with a back. Actually, hold on. I don't want to fill the whole screen. I want to AI game. Oh, it's the AI game. Oh, it's it should be right. Actually, good timing. All right, here. So it's right here. You know what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste the home. So it's just this file right now. It's one little file. It's actually great. It's really simple and clean. So I'll just direct you straight to it. So it's here on our Discord. I'll put it under free resources. I'm pretty sure. It's right here. It's actually already right here. So it's on our Discord. Just go to free resources, the channel on free resources, and you're good to go. You're good to go. What do you think about Google's new anti-gravity? I haven't tried it. Is it like the cursor competitor? Is that what that is? This cursor competitor? I want to check it out. I'll have to take time. We'll see here in a little bit later today, probably. I'll give it a look-see. I want to fill a rectangle is what I want. I want to fill a rectangle. How do we do that? So draw. Let's see. Is there a draw? Hold on. Is there for CRCLE? We're circle draw. Okay. I want to draw a rectangle. Draw. All right. Let's see. Draw. All right. I want a rect. Perfect. Perfect. This is what I'm looking for. All right. Rectangle. And then it will be a surface color rectangle. What's surface? Surface color rectangle with border radius, border top left. So we need a surface of some sort. I don't know what that is. Color and then wait, a rect. Wait. Okay. So what we could do? I got it. So draw game screen. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's gonna be okay. I know what we're doing here. All right. I was hoping for this. All right. So this allows us to do some pretty neat effects. If we can grab, so the game.screen is actually a surface. And so we can draw on that surface, and then we can also, on like background buffers type things like that, and then we can draw that surface onto the main canvas. That sounds pretty neat. That sounds really neat. Okay. All right. We're doing good here. All right. So where was that I was just doing here? Fill. Okay. So instead of fill, we want to game.draw. Actually, is it? I believe it's pygame.drawRec. Okay, this is what we need right here. This is what we need. So we do need the fill black. That's good. So we're good there. That's fine. Because we need to clear the screen. Isn't this your code? It is. It's all my code. Yeah, 100%. Other than the framework that we're using, it's all from scratch. I'm making a stock grading system, and I'm buying a PC because my laptop is too weak. Oh, 3,000. That sounds expensive. That sounds like a good one though. Hey, might as well. Stock grading system. There, you're on your way. You're doing it right. That sounds really exciting. All right, now I'm getting all excited again. This is great. All right, computers. Yay, computers. Oh my God, I'm loving computers. All right, here we go. Pygame, draw, rectangle. It needs to be, and then it's probably got a color, right? So a color and then rect. And so I need a rect, which is going to be some sort of, how do we get to here? Is this the definition of a rect? Perfect. I need a rect. Okay, so rect dot, I want to create a new rectangle. How do we do that? Top left width height. Perfect. That's what I want. Top left width height. So rectangle. How do we do this? Oh, so so the background needs to also have a rectangle of some sort. Where is that at? Where's our background? Here it is. Okay. This needs a, what do you call it? The rect, rect maybe something like that. I think that should be good. That might work. I don't know if that might work. I'm not sure. It's going to have AI too. I know you love AI. Hey, there you go. That's the right way. AI is the way. You got it. Absolutely. AI. You got it. AI. All right. Let me take a look here. Make sure everything looks interesting. All right. Okay. See how that works. Stream. Okay. All right. Sure. All right. Sounds good to me. Oh, okay. I'll have to take here. I'm gonna look at something real quick. Let's go over here. Let's go onto this button here. Do we got all the things? Yep. Okay. All right. We're good. All right. I was just seeing some weird errors, but everything's fine. Everything's looking good. All right. Let me close that really quick. And drop back over here. Oh, how about creating your own programming language like a pub lang? Or Stephen Lang? I did this in college. I did this in college. I didn't finish college, but I did it in college. That would be cool. It was pretty neat. I created a language that was the idea was a game, and you had two players who were able to sort of position themselves on a board. And in order to play the game, you had to write code. And so it was my own language. It was neat. It was really neat. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. I still want to do coding 6 hours. I have such interest, but I can't even sit for a proper 10 minutes. Any advice or suggestions? Let's do it. Let's do it. You have just give yourself like a really small goal, like a very small goal. Like today, I have one goal, and I want to make the screen shake. I want to see the screen shake. That's what I want to do. Like, we're just going to make an effect on the screen. It's going to, I'm just going to shake it all. We're going to shake it all. And it's going to be neat. Did you finish coding the AI trading bot? We did. We basically finished it. Now we just need to make it better. We will have future streams where we work on more streams for trading and algorithmic trading. We'll absolutely do it. We'll go back to it because it worked way better than I thought it would work. I didn't know it was going to work that well. Oh, I missed it. Hey, all good. It's around there somewhere. So if you just go on to the pre-recorded lives under the you can see under pre-recorded lives, it will show up. It should show up. Really interested in the algorithm trading? It's really great. I love it. It's a lot of fun. It's really a lot of fun. And we'll be doing more of it here in the future. Right now, I'm really interested in this game because I accidentally came. Oh, right. Okay. To do reduce model for lower levels. Something I want to do. I want to make the AI like not very good. I want to make it not very good initially at low levels. So something like this. We'll do like a two, right? I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to make the AI not very good. Okay. There we go. I'm going to see how good the AI can be at that level. I'm really excited for it. I'm really excited about it. Defo, look for when I was the first video made it need to follow you. All right, cool. Sounds good. Let me know if you can't find it. I'll help you look for it as well. All right. Let's see here. Render AI looks good. We're good. I draw. Okay. So this, I need this here. I need this to be a thing. Game surface. All right. So we need to draw the rectangle. And then we've got a rectangle on the background, I believe the background. So we've got a background here. And then we need to instantiate the background. So game class, here we go. Game setup, where is the game? Game at here, okay. And background is going to be a new background instance that looks like, we just call this, we could just do background? Can we do that? No, we can instantiate it right here. There's no reason why we couldn't. So we could just say background, and then color will be purple initially, like that. Was there anything else in the background? Well, you also stream on other platforms? Yeah, we're giving it a shot. It was recommended. They were like, hey, why don't you stream over here? And why don't you stream over there? Why don't you stream over there? All right, we'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. There's one platform that is like it sounds like a clock. There's a platform that sounds like a clock, and every time I stream on it, they're like, nope, you're trying to stream science and teach people things, and you're in the U.S. You can't do that. You can't do that. And they because it's they want you to stream video games. That's what they want. They want you to stream video games, and that's just to I believe I think it's malicious intent. I do. I think it's, hey Torva, good to see you. Welcome in and happy you're here. Happy you're here, Torva. Wait, did they suspend you again? Yeah, they do. And so I found ways. So I can keep going live as long as I do it from the phone, but then I have to point the phone at the screen, and I didn't feel like doing that today. So I'll do it another day because we only have 20 minutes left, and I have to go for a meeting. And then we'll be, I know, right? I know, isn't that crazy? They keep suspending me, and that's the only way I can do it is point the phone at the screen. So we'll hold back on that for now. I'll say color rectangle. All right, so we do need a rectangle. All right, so background color is going to be purple, and then zero shake, and then pygame rect. And the rect needs to be width and height. So 0, 0, and then the height of the screen. So do we have the screen height? Yeah, okay, here. This needs to be up here. Maybe we'll go here. See, let's do here. We need to have the game. The canvas, the resolution, game resolution. Here we go. The whole resolution, you guys. Can we do a tour of your terminal setup? Sure. Reza, like what do you want? What are you thinking of? That sounds weird. I know, isn't it? Because it's less content. I know, right? Bubble Bear, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. So terminal window, this is Ghosty. This is using the Ghosty terminal. It's then I've got Vim here as my text editor. As you can see here, we're highlighting stuff on the screen. We also use Tmux, which has a separate buffer. So you can see I'm highlighting everything in yellow. That's the Tmux buffer. And I can go jump in between windows. My Tmux vi forward slash T. I think there's a .tmux config. Tmux, yeah. Here's my Tmux config. It's a little bit busy. You don't need to do this. What I did was I used GNU Screen, and I needed to upgrade because I wanted to upgrade to Ghosty. It's faster. Ghosty doesn't do well with GNU Screen, but it works. It works perfectly fine with Tmux. And so what I did was I took all the GNU Screen commands and mapped them over to Tmux. So it allows me to keep using my GNU Screen commands that I've been used to for like 20 years, and then I can use them locally. And then I have we have a forward slash vimrc, right? .vimrc. Here's our vimrc. Very simple, very straightforward. Groovebox color scheme. Looks good. And there you go. That's it. Nothing else too fancy. That's about it, you guys. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, so where is our rectangle at? Our rectangle. Here we go. Here's game rectangle. All right, so 0, 0, and then width. So how does that go? Top left, bottom right. So let me read the instructions here real quick. Left, top, width, height. Perfect. Okay, width, height. Excellent. That's what I was looking for. There we go. All right, perfect. We're already on our way. We already knew what was going on. HEI. Perfect. All right. There we go. Perfect. So this, I think I can make this pretty. Let me know if there's anything I missed on my terminal tour, because that was a very quick terminal tour. It was very short. A very short terminal tour. All right. I think that'll work perfectly fine. All right. So we're good to go there. Let's see. I think we're good here. All right. And then I want to make sure this is still working. So let's see, background. Oh wait, hold on. Background data class. Oh, I did this in the wrong spot. Let's close that over here. Go back over here. Perfect. Okay. This is what I need. There we go. Excellent. And then we do comma there. Okay. Just a background. Now we should be good. All right. So purple. Okay. Yeah. 0 shake. So this is the initial shake. And then, all right, so the game should run now. I think the game should run. Python game.py. Any errors? Okay, we got one error, syntax error. Oh, is it because of why is that? Oh, it might not. Hey, how's it going, Vineeth? Vineeth, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're working on our game here, our AI game. So let's pop back over here. Oh, we don't want that. It's just a background. That probably doesn't do anything. Okay, that fixed one thing, so I need to jump back over here. It seems like this wants it all on one line, which is fine. I'm fine with that. It's fine. I was trying to make it pretty. Oh no, it wasn't. Okay, perfect. Oh, because I have to type in what it is. So, I have to say color equals. I have to do positional arguments for all of these. Is that what that is? So then I can make it pretty. All right. I mean, okay, this is good. Shake. No, just regular shake. Do I have shakes? Okay, good. All right, we don't. Okay, perfect. Okay. Bro, what are you doing today? Oh, hey, Luca. We're working on our game, or our AI game. The game that it has AI on it, and you have to run away from the AI, and it's real AI. Not pretend AI. So this is our rectangle. Is that what that is? Is that what that is there? I just want to double check. What is the background? Yes, rectangle. I think that's it. I think that's it. I think we'll work on that later. I think it's not obvious what that is, but I think we're fine. All right, so now we should be good. No, just kidding. Requires positional arguments, name, position, speed, and size. Does it? Oh, no, it doesn't anymore. All right, now we're good. We fixed that. All right, excellent. All right, cool. So I made the AI not very good, and it just ran away. We have to let's bring it back. Let's make the AI slower. Let's see, speed AI. Where's the AI? Perfect. Perfect. Here we go. AI speed. Oh, so speed is already too fast. It's too fast. Bro, you know everything. You're so a genius. Well, Luke, yeah. We're trying our best over here. Any LangChain or React format. We're just using Pytorch. Just Pytorch, John Moore, Julia, just Pytorch. And as you can see here, here's our model. A very simple model. We need to make this dynamic. So we need multiple models. So I need like a level 1, a level 2, a level 3, different models here. I need different models that represent different AIs. Which field are you in, Lukia? In computer field, I think, right? Computer field, right? That's what you say. It's a computer field. Software engineering is where it is. Software engineering, where we write a lot of code. We've got over 1 billion connected devices at my company. How are you interacting with the AI? Is it JSON? Oh, it is. So here's the model. It's just a bunch of numbers, right? AI is just a spreadsheet. All you have to do is imagine a spreadsheet with a bunch of floating point numbers in it. There you go. That's AI. That's the brain for AI. The parameters, right? The features of the model, right? The coefficients. They have a whole bunch of different names, but they're all the same thing. A bunch of numbers, and then you can train the model. And here's where we train the model, and it's based on the user's position on the screen and the AI's position on the screen. Hey, how's it coming along? Hey, the jam, we're doing good. Thank you for asking. We're making our game. We're making it happen right now. We're just upgrading. We have one goal, and I have like 15 minutes left. So it's going to be a short stream because I got to go to other, I got to get going. How can I get this knowledge like you? Practice. You just got to practice. And you will still need to practice. And even now, I still have to practice. I'm not even done yet. I've got so many things I got to do. We're nowhere near it. What math course did you take? I took some in college. Then I dropped out because I had other intentions. You learn math underneath a smidge math, just a little bit. You don't really need to know math to achieve your goal. For example, when I started becoming a programmer, I wanted to make games, and so I was making games. I had no math background, right? Because I was in grade school, and so I didn't know what I was doing, but I figured it out. And so you don't really need math; you can figure it all out on your own. I need the weights and tokens, and I'm asking for your database to query state for game mechanics. Basically, at least for us, all of our game state is in a bunch of data classes here. And so we're just keeping everything in memory in basic structures that represent state of the game. Do you know machine learning? I do. I know machine learning. I know enough machine learning to be able to achieve what I want. Volume is very low. Oh, is it? Is it quiet? Is it super quiet? How do I fix that? You said I might need to improve that here. Let me see here. Audio it says it looks all good from here. It's looking all good over here. Test. All right. Exit. Test. Yeah, I mean, okay. Not really. It's fine. Okay, Steven, is it? Okay, thank you, Torva. Thank you. I was double checking. I was like, is it? Not at all. You're loud. Oh, thank goodness. I was wondering because it's come up a few times, so I was wondering. You're good on my end. Excellent. Good. Thank you, the jam. Hey, everyone. Good. All right. Can you adopt me? I'm in Kenya. All right. That could be a thing. I don't know how that works. Start a company. I want to work for you. Oh, Ara, that sounds like it would be a lot of fun. What company are you thinking about? All right, so we've got our background here. We've got 13 minutes. We got 13 minutes, and I got to get going. In 13 minutes, you guys. Well, maybe 15 or 16 minutes will be fine. I don't eat much. So you know what? That's you should eat more. If you get a chance, eat more. Eat more. It's okay. Definitely, if you get a chance, eat more. It's worth it. Also, eat vegetables, beans, and grains, and seeds and berries. There you go. Will you hire a fresher from India in this new company? In a new company? Maybe that would be a lot of fun. Hey, what should I do? Travis Well, iOS. You said iOS. How do they set up a device emulator? Oh, and VS Code. I missed your message. Hey, how do I set up a device emulator on VS Code? I am not sure. Are you using React Native? There is a way to launch a React Native iOS instance. I'm pretty sure. So if you're using React Native with VS Code, if you're using like Swift, then you probably need to use not VS Code, right? If you're using Swift, you need to, or Objective-C, then you need to be using Apple's IDE, whatever that is, right? Depends on your emulator. Yep, you're right, Torva. It does. Can I borrow you $20? You know, right? Borrow. I don't know if it's going to be borrowed. I don't know about that. The borrow means that you pay it back. Hey, so Flutter. Oh, it's Flutter. Got it. Then yeah, Flutter absolutely has an emulator that you can use. I know it does. Flutter local device emulator iOS, right? Is that possible? I'm pretty sure. To run Flutter app on an iOS simulator or a local iOS device, you need Mac OS machine with Xcode installed. That's the only way it works. Install Xcode if you don't already. Install the latest version of Xcode on your Mac. And then there's a command you can run to launch your launch your app. So that's the only way to do it. Are you running on Are you running on Windows or Macintosh? So that's one of the problems you got. Donate then kindly. If you pay back, I know it's a payback problem here. How does that even work? How to reach you for work from India? Will you allow work from India? We do. We don't have any open roles at the moment. When we do, I'll let you know. I'll let you know when we have open positions. You can hypervisor it on Linux. Oh, really, John Moore? Really? Really? That sounds pretty excellent. I didn't know you could do that. I've never done that before. It sounds possible, right? It sounds possible. All right, let's pop back over here to the game really quick because I only have 10. I have like 10 minutes left. I've got 10 minutes left, and then I got to go take care of some business. So we've got our background, the shake, okay, and then here's the rectangle. We need to draw the rectangle, right? I do believe. Let's see here. Is it gonna run? Is it gonna run? Oh, it does run, and oh, it's really purple. Oh, right. Speed. I want the speed. All right, so the speed of the AI speed. Where is that? Here it is. Okay. Game not speed. So we could reduce the speed because we're multiplying it right now. So we could reduce this. We'll go 0, 1. We'll make it 1/10 the speed. We'll make it 1/10 the speed. So it goes a little bit. Whoa, that's still a little bit fast. That's still too fast. That is way too fast. So really? Wait, hold on. Why is that here? All right. So let's go even lower. Let's see if we can make it even lower. All right. Let's see. Because our math might be wrong. Yep, the math is wrong. The math is totally wrong. The math is absolutely wrong. It's still all right. So here, width string. So that should be working. That should totally be working. Oh, game.ai.speed. That should absolutely be working. What game AI position? Weird. I will pay back. You will? Are you sure? I don't know about that. What is the game exactly? Oh, it's a game where you run away. Banana model was released. Beneath, really? I want to try it out. Start making game. All right, we are making the game. We're making the game. Let's see. I want to check out the new Nano Banana. Geechee, where here? What's up? Hey, Geechee, how's it going, Geechee Main? Good to see you. Just saw your message. We're doing good. We're doing good. Then Pro, I want to check out the Nano Banana. I'm really excited. I'm excited about that because I used that for automating some of my workflow here. I've been learning Python though. Julia, nice. Julia, PyCall with PyCall. I'm not familiar with PyCall. What is that? I'm going to check that out real quick. We are very low on time. So I'll go PyCall. What is this? I don't know what that is. As you say, PyCall. All right. Can you give me PayPal? I know you keep asking, but it's not something. There's considerations. Let's see here. 1 second. Let me back over here. Thank you for asking, though. Thank you for asking. It's totally okay. It's Julia Rapper for Python. Oh, Julia. Let's see here. Julia Rapper Python PyCall. Got it. Okay, so PyCall is a Julia package that acts as a wrapper, allowing you to direct calls and interpret with Python from Julia. Oh, nice. So you can talk between the two. You can build. Oh, that's pretty neat. So you can write in one language and run the code in the other. Excellent. Hey, Ali. Saw your hi message there. Thank you for saying hi. Good to see you. All right, we've got very little time. We're running way out of time now. So game position AI plus equals. So this is the AI. Oh, do Do we need this even? Wait, what's this other one? Game Delta. Okay. Okay. The AI is moving too fast is what's happening. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna make sure to see if that is actually the right place for what we're doing here. Okay, good. All right, good. That's what I was looking for. Excellent. All right. AI directions. Game speed. So the weird thing is, where are you from? We're from United States in Seattle, Washington. We are in Seattle, Washington, in the United States. So game AI speed. Just double checking. Yep. Entity speed. Yep. Player. Oh, the play. I was updating the wrong speed. Perfect. Okay. That's why. Here we go. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. We just got to do it the right way. That was all the problem the whole time. All right. We can make it 1/10 the speed. Perfect. 1/10. We'll do 1/10. All right. There we go. Now we're in business. Here it is. There's the AI. So now we can run around the AI. It doesn't know anything. It doesn't know. It's not smart enough to learn. It's not smart enough to learn, you guys. I made it not smart enough. All right. We have to make it smarter. Let's make it smarter really quick. All right. So let's bring this up to like, we'll do 8. We'll do 8 here. This might be too smart now. This might be way too smart. But maybe we'll do fine here. I think we'll do fine. All right. Here we go. There's it. Oh, it is. It's figuring it out. All right. Actually, that sounds about right. Oh, it looks about right. All right. We made it too slow, though. Let's make it a little bit faster. Let's make it a smidgen faster, you guys. All right. Where is that? Our speed. Let's go 6. There we go. Speed is 0.6. There we go. That's better. Is it able to learn, though? Oh, it's not smart enough. It didn't figure it out. Pretty sure. Oh, wait. I use LLVM wrapper around libraries that Julia compiled to IR and just like Rust, Python, and C. Yep, there you go. That's John Marr. You know what you're doing. That's excellent. Is this HTML, CSS, or JavaScript? This is all Python. It's 100% Python. Oh, it came back. I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that. It's smart enough to figure things out. It's smart enough. It's just a smidgen smart enough. It's figuring things out. Oh, look. It's realizing it's going to come back for us. It's coming back for us. Look at there. I wasn't expecting that. So I just want to make the screen shake. You a skinwalker, bro. I know, right? Real human from Earth. Human from Earth over here. Drain, human from Earth. We're real human from Earth. Pretty sure that's the equation. Otherwise, your game's going to depend on the frame rate. Yep, you're right. We figured it out. Not using vibe coding. I know, Razor, we're doing it from scratch. Pygame, you need a delta so it wouldn't be position, velocity, delta, clock tick. Yeah, we got the clock tick. We got the DT clock tick. If you don't use DT yet. We do. The jam, you know what we're talking about. What are we learning here? We are learning how to make a game with AI. See the AI? It's learning. It's figuring it out. See, it knows to come for us. All right. So this is a good like level 1 AI, right? Level 1 is if we just hold very still. We hold very still. Don't move. Is it? Does it see us? It doesn't see us. Hey, nice, dude. I know. Isn't it neat? Red circle be like, surprise. Yeah, I know. All right, it's coming for it. Oh, it's realizing because we made it smart enough, just barely smart enough. See, there, it's perfect. It's perfect. I love it. All right. So we've got about 4 minutes left, and we have to make the screen shake. So I need to add an effect. So where is the screen? So we're doing a lot of things here. So the screen shake. All right. So shake. Here we go. Shake is gonna be. Let's make shake 1. We'll just do a screen shake. But let's just see if we can make the screen shake. That's it. That's the one thing we got to do. All right. Rect. Where is it? Rectangle. Let's see here. FFI. Yeah. John's using use FFI. Hey, Wicca Sono. FFI works too. FFI works also. You can also do that. So I believe what is this? I need to see what this is. Can we modify it? I'm not sure if we can modify it or not. Moves the rectangle. Oh, we can. Okay. So, you can move X. Oh, that's all you got to do. Move it X, Y. Returns a new rectangle that's moved by a given offset. Yes! That makes it so much easier. Oh, you can inflate and deflate it too. I'm just going to shake it. I'm just going to shake the XY. We'll do random. We'll do some random, you guys. What's FFI? It's a interface for foreign function interface. I think is what it's called. Foreign function interface. Oh, someone, John Marr. Yep, you got it. Foreign function interface. Are you real Julia developer? That's sick. AF. to be honest though, it was dead by now. Well, Python, happy Thursday, Jeremy. Happy Thursday, making something look at a song app. Oh, nice. Make something look like a song app. We could do that. We could do that too. Hackathon starts in about 6 hours on Discord. Oh, Torva, thank you for mentioning. Yep, Hackathon starts in about 6 hours on Discord, you guys. About 6 hours on Discord. Let's see here. All right, so I want to make the rectangle shake. I need to make the rectangle shape. So we got to draw it. We got to draw the rectangle. Here. That's why it's purple. I was wondering about that. So games draw. How do we say draw? Let's see, draw rectangle, and then we say draw rectangle, and then the rectangle is going to be game.background.rect. There we go. I think that'll do it. So this should give us the same thing that we had before. It should look exactly the same. Nope. All right, 1 second. Surface. Got it. We need the surface. Game.screen. There we go. That should do it now. Game.screen. Nope, just kidding. Function missing required argument rect. Do we have to say rect? We have to say it like this? Rect, like that? Wait, draw. Do we have to? Wait. Let's see here. We need to see this. Draw. Game.draw. I had it over here. See, draw rect. Surface color rect. Okay, got it. Okay. So this we need a game.background.color. And then I got to get going here very soon. So I'm missing some chat. All right. So yeah, there's a hackathon on Discord. Thank you, Torva, for mentioning. All right. So looking good there. And then I got to jump here very soon. Okay. Excellent. All right. So we got it back. Purple, looking good there. All right. So now I want to make the screen shake. So we'll see. We'll do game.background.rect. Was it move? Was it called move? I think it was called move, right? Move. Perfect. Okay. So we'll move it a random number. So let's see, np.random Python. I got to get going here, guys. See, you heard that. You might have heard it. We got to get going. Import numpy as np.rand random. Wait, is it random dot? Is it dot random dot random? Double check. Let's see, dir. I need to dir this. Here we go. Oh, did I close it? Oh no, I closed it. Oh, darn it. Darn. Oh, all the things here. Where is it? Oh. All right. So that's not what I was expecting. Here we go. 1 second. Where did it go? Is it here? Here. Okay. I did it in the wrong spot. Nope, not that. That's the wrong one. Here. Is it this one? Nope. Hold on. Let me close that. Nope. Where'd it go? You guys? All right, here we go. All right, so bring this back. This, please. This is what I want. Okay. All right. I know what I'm doing. I just random. Here we go. Random. I need to dir this, right? Dir. So I do got to get going. So I'm not paying attention to chat. Sorry, guys. Rand int. It's rand int. So rand int. That's what I want, right? Int. Is there an int in here? Rand int. You got it. It is rand int. Perfect. Rand.random. So np.random. Random.rand int. We'll go 0, 10, something like that. Perfect. Okay. Thank you, chat. Thank you, Muhammad. All right. So this will be this. Boom, like that. Although this is going to make it shake a lot. It's going to make it shake a lot. But that's perfectly fine because that's at least we got it shaking, and then we got to get going, you guys. That notification made my check schedule. I know, did you? It made you. I know, right? I saw your message there on LinkedIn. I saw your message. Saw that message there. Why not use import random? Oh, because we're using NumPy. Okay, so close that game. All right, so the screen should be shaking. It's not shaking. Why isn't it shaking? What's happening there? Why isn't it shaking? Let's see here. It's supposed to be shaking. We moved it. Game background rectangle. Move. All right. What if we didn't draw it? It should be a dark background now, right? All right, good. So we've got a dark background. That's right. That's right. Okay, we do have to get going. If I don't get it shaking, that's totally fine. That's just the name of the game. Maybe we have to do it more. Let's make it like very shaky, like even more shaky than it was before. So 100. Perfect. And then we will go over here, draw that. Excellent. Looking good there. Is this real RL or what? RL, real life? What do you mean? What is RL? What is RL? What do you mean? Let's see here. Let's run this again. Okay, so we are getting, it's going purple, but it's not shaking. It's not shaking. Can we just update it randomly? So I don't want to move it. I want to just, so game, here we go. Game.background.rectangle.x equals random. So let's try this. Instead of using the function, we'll see if we could do this. We'll see if we could do this. And then we'll do fy. Perfect. All right, let's see if that works. Let's see if that works, you guys. Oh, there we go. There we did it. All right, perfect. Perfect. Excellent. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for because it adds like tension. It adds tension. And so what we'll do is like when the AI gets closer to us, as the AI gets closer, the screen will shake more violently. All right? That'll be the idea. So we got to get going, you guys. Thank you for hanging out. It was a short stream today. So like, oh no, the AI's coming for us. Gotta be careful. Right? Run away, run. Right? See, it's like learning. It's very learning. So there we did it, you guys. Thank you for joining. Stephen, you are machine learning. Stephen or real life, right? One of the two. Bye, everyone. Thank you for hanging out. We'll be headed out. We'll be back tomorrow to do more game development and the AI. As you can see here, the AI it's learning. It's learning where you're at, right? This is like level one, and then it will get really good and really now. So we've got the tension now. We've got the tension. All right, everyone. Thank you. That was my idea. It was, right? The jam, your idea. You got it. Thank you. It was a good idea because it like really adds the tension. You can see it. You're like, I don't know what I'm going to do. And then I also want the player to also shake too. I want the player to shake as well. So we'll do that too. Do LangChain. John Mart, we could. I mean, we don't need to. There's no purpose for LangChain in the game. We could cover it though. I need help with it. Oh, got it. We could cover LangChain later. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining. We'll be back tomorrow. It was good to see you. John Marr, add your idea to our Discord here really quick. All right, future stream idea. Here we go. Future stream idea. We'll do LangChain. LangChain. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Future stream idea. LangChain. There we go. Add it in our Discord. Do Lang graph to use input by LLM. Use LLM for controlling those. I mean, it's possible. We absolutely could. We're trying to make it so we can release a game that everyone can use, and the LLM is usually too big, and it will be too expensive for anyone to try to do that. Though it's an idea. We could. All right. Thank you everyone for joining. I'm headed out now. Bye everyone. We'll see you next time. Use API. We could use the API. Then it costs money. Yeah, with the rect format on the Olama. We could do that and then it'll be free, but then you can't run it on your mobile device, right? It won't be a mobile game. It's a pleasure, y'all. Thank you, Torva. Join the Discord. We've got a hackathon starting in 6 hours. All right, everyone. Thank you.